So I'm gonna try to video and hold this and talk at the same time. So my daughter was swinging on this the other day and the ratchet just let go and it made a loud pop and it came apart and she fell on the ground along with the rest of the line. So there's something flimsy, wacky with the ratchet, and I thought maybe she had messed with it or something, and so I put it back together and tightened it, and we walked away from it like 30 seconds after tightening it, and then all of a sudden it blew apart again. So if there's a problem with that ratchet, it's bad, and I would not recommend buying this set.
Good job, Ollie. Good job, Edie. Daddy, help him.